In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, force close WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and then close it. Go to your home screen and open recent apps. Swipe up WhatsApp and remove it from the recent app list. Reopen WhatsApp and try listening to the voice message. Let's move on to the second method. Open the volume bar and swipe up to increase the volume. Reopen WhatsApp and try playing the voice message again. Let's move on to the third method. Open the settings on your device and search for WhatsApp. Click on permissions and then click on microphone. Click on don't allow. Go back and again go to the microphone. Now click on allow only while using the app. Go back and scroll down until you see storage. Click on it and click on clear cache. Confirm it and then go back to WhatsApp and try playing the voice message again. Let's move on to the fourth method. Open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Check if an update is available. If there is an update available, update the app. If nothing works, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!